Hey, my name's Kyle, and I'm one of the co-founders of Healthybud. And today I want to talk to you about our beef dinner patties. This is a freeze-dried food for dogs. It provides all the minerals, vitamins that they need. It's fully balanced, and it's packed with organ meats. But what really excites me about this product is the amazing superfood ingredients that we've decided to include in them. This is what it looks like. It's a rehydratable patty. All you got to do is add 2 tablespoons of water per patty to rehydrate them. And we guarantee that that's going to bring out all the good flavors and your dog is going to love it.